Welcome back to Bipin Training Hub. You are go to place for mastering in Excel. Today we are diving into one of Excel's most powerful formula, that is if and nested if. If statements are used when you have single conditions, while nested if statements are used when you have multiple conditions. Imagine you have a student scores and you want to assign grades based on these rules. 90 and above grade A, 80 to 89 grade B, 70 to 79 grade C, below 70 D, and above 45 is pass and below 45 is fail. Okay, so how formula looks in Excel? Something like that. If C4 is C4, you have a data of 9 Ravi. A, then it is A. If so, we'll get it is a nested if formula. So it's a nested if formula. Okay, now just assign, is it pass or fail? So first we learn if formula. If we have start if formula, so what is the syntax of if saying? First you apply logic. If something like that, if 99 Ravi have scored 99, it is greater than 45, then it's pass, else right fail. So what is that? First in that cell C9 to 45, this is the logical condition. Then if it is true, the value will be pass. If it is false, then value will be fail. So we apply the formula and so it's a 99. So pass. Similar formula for we check everyone's. So it's not ever 45, so he say fail. But if we know this getting 46, then it will pass. So if 45 is the mark, so he will be fail in that. Okay, now what we apply grade system. So here when you apply multiple grade system, when you have multiple criteria, so you will applying nested if formula. Okay, so let's learn what is the logic of nested if. So nested if says that if for condition is same, C4 is greater than and equals to 90 marks, so 90 and above, so 90 will be considered in A grade. So C4 is greater than 94. Okay, so we'll apply C4, not we'll choose here formula, that is this formula. C9 is greater than 90, then it will grade as A. Okay, so what in the if it is fail, then it will be B. But in nested if you apply multiple if formula. So again we start if, again if same, then greater than and equals to 80, it will be grade will be B. Again for if formula, so if now again Ravi score is greater than equals to 70, so value grade will be C. Now here it is condition close. So in last, if the all are fall in same condition, if the all are falling fail to get false, then what values you have to print, what grade will be assigned? So grade will be D. So here the close, we apply close formula, we multiple close. Now so why 3 brackets? So first bracket is for this F condition, second bracket is for this one, and third final bracket will be this one for this. So, so grade will be A. Now, okay. So here Ravi will get the A grade. What about John? So we apply John formula same. He also get A grade. What about Mukesh? He'll 9 D grade. A grade. Samay is getting C grade. Binod is getting D. Oh, it's below 70. So D grade will be okay. Now what is Arab? Arab get B grade. So D. So nested if formula evaluates the condition one by one. If the score in cell C9 is greater than 90 or more, it returns A. If not, then move to next condition. Then he'll check for 80 C condition for 80. If it pass in 80, then it will be B and so on. So nested if checks multiple condition and then write their details. As you see, the grades update instantly based on their score. This is a fantastic way to automate tasks where multiple conditions are involved. Now, a quick tip. Too many nested ifs can make your formula hard to read. Consider using alternative like if function. So what is difficulty reading the formula? So we have applied one if, second if, third if. So these are nested if formula. So instead of nested if, we use ifs condition, ifs formula. What was that? Ifs. So ifs it says that we learn again some here. So here it will be a nested if formula. Okay. Now we'll go for ifs condition. Okay. Now we'll go on sheet 2 for ifs formula. Here we have a data of employer getting age or income, their employment status. We have some condition of logic. So what we apply, is it eligible or not eligible? We have to find out the condition. Condition was if age is 18 greater than, if age is less than 18, then it is not eligible. फिर if it is 18, then it's a check, first check income. Then second condition is if income is less than 20, then again not eligible. If income is greater than 20, then check again employment status. Again if unemployed, then not eligible. If employed, eligible. So here's a 3 if formula. First if for age, second if for income, third if for employment status. So nested if will cover in 3 if condition. So now instead of nested if, we use if formula that cover single formula to cover all the condition in single form. Let's go for ifs. So here we apply ifs. What if say logical test? You ever excel when you write a formula, below a formula there is some syntax. So what syntax is? Logical test. The logical test is that if first is age is less than 18. So if age column is less than 18, then it says that not eligible. So we'll type not eligible. Okay. Now second condition, if it is, if income is, what is the check income? So if income is less than 20,000, so second column if this is less than 20,000. Also if it is less than 20,000, then not eligible. Now what was third condition? Third condition is if unemployed, then he will be unemployed. So we apply the section is it unemployed or employed? So if it is G8 is unemployed, then not eligible. Okay. So what was next? If these all are condition are true, then it should be not eligible. If condition false, then true and right is eligible. So not eligible because age is 38, so less than 18 not eligible. So if his income is less than 20,000, not eligible. These are the eligible criteria. But the person is unemployed, so it's not eligible. Okay. Now what was second criteria? Finona Lopez. Age is 44. It is applicable eligible. Income is greater than 20,000. Also eligible. Then what the third condition? Employment status. Employment status is unemployed. Employment status is employed. So let's check formula. What's it? It's eligible. So now we apply all the here the eligible criteria. You get a single formula. In that you will get the eligibility of the candidate. So instead of nested if formula, you can use if formula for simple and powerful way. Okay. So now if you have any questions, you write on comment. Else, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends. Stay tuned for tomorrow video where we'll explore index and match function. Okay, so take your Excel skill even further. See you soon.